Hello, this is Richard Bosshart, your experienced and certified expat tax consultant, and I'm here to help you understand if you have to file a tax return overseas to the U.S. government and how to do that. I want to say quickly that, the CPA accountants and the tax lawyers do wonderful work, but that's usually for corporations and very wealthy people because they have very high fees. I can do your tax return for much lower fees and still give you a one-on-one service personally and cover all the bases you need to know how to legally get out of any U.S. tax liability. Today I want to cover the subject of rental property that you own in the United States. You may or may not be a U.S. citizen living abroad, but own a house in the United States. And typically, such people, such clients of mine, spend most of the time in Switzerland working, but they go on vacation or for some other reason to their U.S. home for a minor portion of the year. They are obliged, whether or not they are a U.S. citizen, to file a tax return on the rental income of that property if it is in fact rented at any time during the year. Now, when you do that, you file a special form that is very similar to a small business form, and you are listing the costs you have in that home, everything from mortgage interest, janitor service, lawn service, water, oil, telephone. All these things are costs of operating that home. These costs are typically more than covered by the rental income that you receive, even for a partial year. However, you are also allowed to deduct a depreciation of the cost of that house. It's over a 27-year period, but it is still a substantial amount of money. And in every one of my tax client cases, I have found that the depreciation cost plus the maintenance and operating costs exceed the rental income. Of course, depreciation cost is not a cash flow out of your pocket, but it is a cost deduction and results in a zero income tax liability on that rental income. Excuse me. So if you want more information on that subject, please contact me, and you can click on the link below to reach my website and all the contact information and my background that you need. Thank you.